Okay, today is January 14th, 2021. I'm just going to give a little update on this Martin D41 that I built. Actually, probably over 15 months ago. And I'll show you what the setup looks like today. I've not modified anything. These are actually the same strings that I put on 15 months ago. And I'll show you how I kept them nice a little bit later. But you know, I've got... I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got 18 thousandths on there, and it's right at 18. Might be a little bit more on the high E there, and you know, right on 18 there. Maybe a little less than 18 there, but pretty much the same as what it was. Okay, tuned to pitch, and we'll check what the relief is. I'm going to get out about 12 thousandths here, I believe. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's about what it was when I initially set it up. Truss rod ends about here. Check it on 7th fret. Ooh, look at that. That is 12 thousandths on a low E. Switch hands. Let's see. Maybe a little bit more than 12 thousandths there, but this thing hasn't budged a bit. Okay. Now we'll check the action at the 12th fret. Okay. Here's the 12th fret. I don't know if you can see this good or not. I'll see if I can try and send it in, maybe zoom in on it, put a little bit more light on the situation. Right there. Maybe too much light and you won't be able to read it. So I can zoom in on it here. About 5/64 there. I know you can't see it there, but about 5/64 there too on the 12th fret. Which I'm very happy with this build. Yeah, let me show you this other tool I got. Been using it for at least 12 months, maybe not more. Back out here. It's a string cleaner. You got it off Amazon. It cleans the fretboard and both sides of the string at the same time. Clip it over your strings. Just run it up and down your fretboard. And you're done. I'll put a link to it below. I don't see a name on it anywhere. It was really cheap, but does great.